Manual handling is everywhere, from warehouses to hospitals, construction sites to offices. People lift, carry, and move things every day. These tasks are essential for businesses to operate and for us to do our jobs. But manual handling can also pose risks if not done correctly. Injuries from improper lifting or handling can be painful and debilitating. They can lead to time off work, reduced productivity, and even long-term health problems. The good news is that many of these injuries are preventable. By understanding the principles of safe manual handling, we can protect ourselves and our colleagues. This guide will provide practical tips and techniques to help you stay safe while performing manual handling tasks. Remember, your health is important, and a few simple precautions can make a world of difference. Let's start by defining what we mean by manual handling. Manual handling is any task that involves using your body to lift, lower, push, pull, carry, hold, or restrain an object. This can include a wide range of activities such as lifting boxes or equipment, moving furniture or appliances, carrying heavy tools or materials, and pushing loaded carts or trolleys. Even seemingly simple tasks like picking up a pen from the floor can involve manual handling. The key is to be mindful of how you use your body in any situation where you are exerting force or putting strain on your muscles and joints. It's important to remember that manual handling isn't just about heavy lifting. Repetitive motions, awkward postures, and sustained forces can also lead to injuries over time. That's why it's crucial to use safe techniques for all manual handling tasks, regardless of the weight or size of the object. In the next section, we will explore some of the common injuries that can result from poor manual handling practices. Understanding these risks can motivate us to prioritize safe techniques. When manual handling tasks are performed incorrectly, the consequences can be significant and far-reaching. Our bodies are designed to move and lift, but they have limits. Understanding these limits is crucial to maintaining our health and well-being. Pushing these limits through unsafe practices can lead to a range of injuries affecting various parts of the body. These injuries can be immediate or develop over time, gradually worsening. Back injuries are among the most common problems associated with poor manual handling. They can be debilitating and often require long-term treatment. Lifting with a rounded back, twisting while carrying a load, or overexerting yourself can strain muscles, ligaments, and discs in the spine. This improper technique can lead to chronic pain and long-term damage. This can result in pain, stiffness, reduced mobility, and even herniated discs. These conditions can severely limit one's ability to perform daily tasks and enjoy life. Shoulder and neck injuries are also prevalent, often stemming from repetitive motions, awkward postures, or carrying heavy loads on one side. These injuries can be just as debilitating as back injuries. These injuries can cause pain, weakness, tingling, and difficulty with everyday activities like reaching, lifting, and dressing. Over time, they can lead to chronic conditions that require ongoing medical attention. Beyond back, shoulder, and neck problems, improper manual handling can also lead to hand and wrist injuries, such as carpal tunnel syndrome, from repetitive motions or gripping tools too tightly. These injuries can affect fine motor skills and dexterity. Knee injuries from twisting, kneeling, or carrying heavy loads can also occur. These injuries can make walking and standing painful and difficult. Foot and ankle injuries from dropping objects or tripping over obstacles are also common. These injuries can lead to sprains, fractures, and long-term mobility issues. These injuries can have a profound impact on our lives, affecting our ability to work, enjoy hobbies, and perform daily tasks. The physical and emotional toll can be significant. They can also lead to financial strain from medical bills and lost wages. The cost of treatment and the inability to work can create a heavy burden on individuals and their families. Section 4. Why safe lifting matters. Safe manual handling is not just about avoiding injuries. It's about protecting our overall well-being and ensuring that we can continue to do the things we love. Whether it's at work or at home, lifting objects safely is crucial for maintaining our health and vitality. By prioritizing safe practices, we can reduce the risk of injuries. This is perhaps the most obvious benefit, but it's also the most important. Injuries from improper lifting can range from minor strains to severe back problems that can affect us for a lifetime. By using proper techniques, we can minimize the strain on our bodies and reduce the likelihood of experiencing painful and debilitating injuries. This not only helps us in the short term, but also ensures long-term health and mobility. Improved productivity. When we are free from pain and discomfort, we can work more efficiently and effectively. This means we can get more done in less time, which is beneficial for both employees and employers. Furthermore, safe handling practices can help us conserve energy and avoid fatigue. By lifting correctly, we use our muscles more efficiently, which means we can work longer without feeling exhausted, enhance our quality of life. Being able to move freely and without pain allows us to participate fully in our daily activities, hobbies, and relationships. This is not just about work, it's about living a full and active life. It also contributes to our overall sense of well-being. When we feel good physically, it positively impacts our mental and emotional health as well. Promote a positive work environment. When everyone is committed to safe handling practices, it fosters a culture of safety and care in the workplace. This can lead to a more supportive and collaborative work environment. This can lead to improved morale, reduced absenteeism, and increased productivity. When employees feel safe and valued, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated in their work. Safe manual handling is an investment in our present and future health and well-being. By making it a priority, we can enjoy the benefits for years to come. In the following sections, we will delve into specific tips and techniques to help you implement safe manual handling practices in your daily life. These tips will not only help you at work, but can also be applied to everyday tasks at home. Remember, safe lifting is not just a one-time effort, but a continuous practice that requires awareness and commitment. Let's make safe lifting a habit and protect our health and well-being. By adopting these practices, we can create a safer, healthier, and more productive environment for everyone. Let's take the first step towards a safer future by learning and implementing these essential safe lifting techniques. Stay tuned for more detailed guidance on how to lift safely and protect yourself from potential injuries. Section 5. Planning your move. Before you lift, carry, or move anything, take a moment to plan your actions. This initial step is often overlooked but is incredibly important. This simple step can make a world of difference in preventing injuries. A well thought out plan can save you from unnecessary strain and accidents. Here are some key aspects to consider. Assess the load. What are you lifting? How heavy is it? Knowing the weight can help you decide the best way to handle it. What is its shape and size? The dimensions of the object can affect how you should lift and carry it. Are there any handles or grips? These can make the task easier and safer. Is the load stable or likely to shift? A shifting load can throw you off balance and cause injury. Clear the path. Ensure that your route is free from obstacles, such as boxes, cords, or slippery surfaces. A clear path is essential for safe movement. Remove any tripping hazards and make sure you have enough space to maneuver safely. This includes checking for wet or uneven surfaces. And make sure you have enough space to maneuver safely. Choose the right equipment. The right tools can make a big difference. If possible, use equipment to assist with the task, such as trolleys, dollies, hoists, or lift tables. These tools are designed to help you, such as trolleys, dollies, hoists, or lift tables. They can significantly reduce the strain on your body. Using the right tools can significantly reduce the strain on your body. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to seek assistance. Don't be afraid to ask a colleague for assistance, especially if the load is heavy, awkward, or needs to be moved a long distance. Teamwork can make the task easier and safer, especially if the load is heavy, awkward, or needs to be moved a long distance. Teamwork is essential for safe manual handling. Teamwork is essential for safe manual handling. Working together can prevent injuries and make the job more efficient. By taking a few moments to plan your move, you can identify potential hazards and prepare accordingly. You can identify potential hazards and take steps to mitigate them. This proactive approach is crucial for preventing injuries and take steps to mitigate them. This proactive approach is crucial for preventing injuries and ensuring your safety. This proactive approach is crucial for preventing injuries and ensuring your safety. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in creating a safe work environment.